In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share only one tab in a spreadsheet using Google Sheets. Sharing specific information while keeping other details confidential can be a real game changer, especially when collaborating with colleagues or clients. Let's dive in and explore how you can accomplish this efficiently. First things first, let's begin by opening your Google Sheet. Go ahead and sign in to your Google account if you haven't already, and head over to Google Sheets. Once there, open up the document that contains the tab you wish to share. It's essential you start here since this is where all your data is stored. Once you have your Google Sheet open, the next step is identifying which tab you want to share. Along the bottom of your screen, you'll see a row of tab names. Click on the specific tab that holds the data you intend to share. This action ensures that whenever you perform operations, they apply to the right area without mixing up other tabs that you may want to keep private. With the correct tab selected, the next move involves creating a new file with just this tab. You'll need to right-click on the tab's name. A menu will pop up, giving you several options. Among these, find and select Copy To. A subsequent choice labeled New Spreadsheet will appear. Clicking on this will initiate the creation of a new, separate Google Sheet featuring only the tab you've chosen. This step is crucial because it isolates the tab from the rest of your document, keeping the other tabs confidential and secure. Now that your tab is isolated in its own spreadsheet, it's time to open this newly created document. You should see a notification or a link indicating that your tab has been successfully copied. Follow this link to open the new spreadsheet. If you happen to miss the notification, don't worry. Simply return to your Google Drive, where the new document will be available. Having opened the new spreadsheet, you're now ready for the final step. Sharing this document. Look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the Share button. This button is your gateway to collaboration. Here you'll have two main options. You can either invite individuals directly by entering their email addresses or, for broader access, create a shareable link. If you choose to enter email addresses, make sure they are correct to avoid any access issues. On the other hand, if you opt for a shareable link, ensure to set appropriate permissions to control who can view or edit the document. There you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can seamlessly share a single tab within a Google Sheet, keeping other tabs private and maintaining control over your document's content.